Hey y'all, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this backdrop that you see in this video and also the backdrop that you see in both pictures. So all of the materials that you will see me using today came from Home Depot. Yes, Home Depot. Now, what I originally wanted to get, it was so large, it was not going to fit in my car on top of my car. So I had to settle. And what I settled with was this, I think it was 2x8 or 2x4. It's like wood. I forgot what they call it, like project board or something like that. And I think I'm going to show you guys the size that I picked up. So 2x4s. So I picked up 4 2x4s, and in the video I only used 2. Also, I picked up tape, I picked up a rolling brush, and I got paint from Home Depot as well. So what you're seeing, I put the boards down on the floor. I only end up using 2 boards, not 3, as you guys see in the video. And pretty much what I did with the 2 boards, I taped them together. So pretty much what I did not put both of the boards completely closed in together. I purposely left a gap so that the board can actually fold and can stand up on its own. I believe this is also known as a V flat. So a V flat, I guess a lot of photographers use a V flat. So this is what it's also known as, but I made sure I left a gap, and then I used the tape to pretty much tape both pieces together. All right, so now that it's taped up, you will now see that it pretty much stands on its own in the shape of like a V. So now we're going to move on to the next part of this tutorial, which would be to start painting both sides of the board. So before we begin painting both sides of the board, it is necessary to protect the floor. So I'm protecting the floor with this plastic drop cloth. All I did was unravel it, cut off a piece, and lay it out on the floor. And then once I have it laid out on the floor, I pretty much put the boards on top of it, and then it's time to start painting. As I mentioned, the paint I did get from Home Depot as well. I got 2 different colors. Now, the size that I have is 1/4. I believe is by the gallon. So it will be 1/4 of a gallon, I believe. I should have gotten they have like sample sizes or something like that. I should have gotten sample sizes because I did not even use half of this paint. Okay, I did not use half of each can, so I could have gotten a sample size and it would have been half as cheap. It would have been cheaper. Okay. So all I'm doing is just applying paint, and honestly that's pretty much the end of the tutorial. Well, the end of what I pretty much have to explain. As you guys can see, you guys will be able to see everything I do. I put paint on there. I let it sit and dry after the first coat. I let it sit and dry for about 10 minutes. And then I apply a second coat. And then after the second coat, I let it dry for about 20 minutes just to be on the safe side. I flip the board over, and then I paint I painted the other side using the other color. And yeah, that's pretty much it. All right, guys, and that is pretty much how I created my backdrop board, stand, whatever you want to call it. If you guys would like to see a video on how to do your own photo shoot, take your own pictures, please leave a comment down below and I'll make sure I make that video next. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Until next time.